Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure where you guys can learn and having fun with drawing. Alright, in today's video we're going to draw vegetables. Name is beet. So let's jump to the paper together. Alright guys, I need you to follow me. So I will start with the circle line. So from here you can start to follow me guys. So something like this. So from here like this, right, and then go like this and then like this. Okay guys, then after that we'll draw the leaves here. So I will give the branch first. So let's put the branch like one, right, then two, right, then three here, then three. All right, after this I will create another one here. So we have two beets. So now like this, then you have this like this one. Okay guys, then the same thing, I need to give the the branch for the leaves here and then here. All right, perfect guys. So after that I will give the leaves. So from here you guys can start and follow me like this, from here like this, right, don't forget to connect to this. So after that you can draw the line like this and then like this. All right guys, nice. So next one will be to something like this. All right, then like this, then like this guys. So after I have this, then I will give the expression to make it looks cute. So you can guys follow me like this. So you can give the eyes here, the circle like this and then like this, right. Then after that you give another small eyes here, then here we go. All right guys, then you can give black color here. Okay, right, good. Then after that you can give the mud here. So like I think like smiley mud here like this. So I will go a little bit bigger. All right, then give the mud and the teeth. All right guys, looks great already. I will give the eyebrow, right. All right, so adorable, right. The next one I will give the expression here. So maybe this is something different. I will give the blink eye. So I will go to something like this. So make it a cute like this, right. Then after that I will go this with also smiley like this. All right guys, this is the tongue as usual and this is the teeth. All right guys, I think with this shape of the beads it's done already. You just need to color this. All right, then I will speed up the video. You guys can follow the coloring process. All right, let's go. Okay guys, we have this color for the body part. So now I'm going to give the green color to the lips. All right. Alright guys, we now have the overall color. So let's go to give the variation. So I will give some red color here and then also I will give some a dark green in these leaves. Let's go. Alright guys, this is the final result of vegetable beets. So hope you guys learning something today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and please subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye bye guys, thank you so much.